So today I am making a nautical mirror. It's a plain mirror. And I have a glue gun, which I got from the Dollar Tree. Some glue sticks. A bunch of shells that my neighbor gave me. Wow. So you plug in the gun, you heat it up, and you glue on the shells, which is quite nice. You want to make sure they can stay flat on a surface. Press the glue all over the edge. Now if you spill it on the mirror, it's like plastic, it can peel off. Have a plate underneath it. Be very careful, it's hot. Press it down and don't move it. And if you get these spider web pieces of glue, they come right out. And I want to fill it all the way around the edge. And you can too. Dress up an old mirror. Now this one is a square simple one. So there's just a couple on it. So this is my summer art project. It's finally done. It took me about an hour. You want to kind of have your shells picked out for your mirror frame or your picture frame. And I want to thank Sarah for giving me these shells from Florida. Her collection. And I'm glad to have the opportunity to make a nautical bathroom. So this is how the mirror looks. And all it takes for a nautical bathroom is to use the nautical sea colors, the shells, the shower curtain, collection of boats, a seashell picture, a foil, some shells again, little boats, a nautical turtle, more boats, lighthouses, a fishnet, a sea captain's clock, some starfish. It doesn't take much to make a nautical bathroom. Just little collections of lighthouses and seashells. And I think it's a cheap way or inexpensive way to make a plain white bathroom a little bit whimsical, like you're in the cottage by the sea. Thank you for watching.